In today's video, I'm going to teach you exactly how to import your photos into Darktable. If you're new to Darktable, it's a powerful open-source photo editing software that many photographers rely on to handle their digital images. Whether you've just returned from a photo shoot or you're finally organizing a backlog of pictures, importing your photos into Darktable is a critical first step to getting started on your editing journey. First, let's open up Darktable, and you'll want to make sure you're in the Light Table view. Light Table is the area of Darktable where you'll manage and organize your image library. Think of it as your central hub for keeping track of all your photos before they head into the editing stage. Now, look to the top left corner of the interface and find the Import button. This button is your gateway to bringing your new images into Darktable. Clicking this will present you with a couple of options, specifically folder or images. The choice here depends on your needs. If you've organized your photos into specific folders and want to maintain that structure as you import them, choose folder. On the other hand, if you're just looking to bring in a select few images without regard to their original folder structure, then images is the way to go. After making your selection, you'll need to navigate through your computer's file system to find the location of the photos you wish to import. Whether it's on your desktop, an external drive, or anywhere else, simply browse to the right spot. Remember, this part isn't just about finding the photos, but ensuring you're choosing the ones you truly want to bring in. Once you've highlighted the right images or folder, go ahead and click Open. Your selected photos will now begin the import process into Darktable's library. Importing isn't just about making the photos available within Darktable. It's also about preparing them to be managed, viewed, and edited efficiently. After the import is complete, you could choose to organize these photos further. This is optional, but highly recommended for maintaining an orderly workflow. You can create collections or add tags to your images. Collections can help you group photos by projects, themes, or events. Tags, on the other hand, are a flexible way to label and categorize your images based on elements like location, subjects, or even the style of photography. This additional step can really save you time down the line when you're searching for specific images among potentially thousands. And that's how you import your photos into Darktable. With your images safely in the library, you're all set to start organizing, editing, and making them shine. As you become more familiar with Darktable, you'll find that this initial step of importing is crucial in managing your workflow efficiently.